The new LPM Apartments building cuts a stylish and impressive figure on the downtown skyline of Minneapolis. Rising 36 stories high, it ranks among the tallest buildings in the city and offers luxury apartments with a tremendous view of scenic Loring Park. But the building might never have reached those heights if it weren't for the work of Braun Intertec, which started at the very bottom of the building, below even the foundation. We began with the bedrock deep underground, where our geotechnical engineering team assessed the quality of the rock and how much weight it could support.
There can be situations where different firms are involved. In this case, it was wonderful that we could communicate internally and then communicate to the various parties, the owners, the contractors, the regulatory agencies, all together.
New safety regulations meant we couldn't examine the bedrock the way we always had. We relied on some innovative methods and testing.
We cored every foundation and did a lot of additional cutting-edge analysis. We even used a miniature diving bell with a camera to get a good look at the bottoms of the shafts.
Most of the large buildings in the area are supported on drilled pier foundations designed for 50 to 75 tons per square foot on the bedrock. Our testing showed that in this case, the bedrock would support 100 tons per square foot.
That recommendation meant the builder could design the foundations for the higher load-bearing capacity we discovered in the bedrock. And that resulted in a very large savings to the owner of the project because we were able to use smaller, much less costly foundations.
Using smaller foundations was fitting because the job site itself was small and surrounded by neighboring buildings and busy city streets. Having buildings so near to the job site also posed challenges. One older building was about 10 feet away from where the cranes, drills, and hammering rig were operating.
As some remedial measures, we did an initial building condition survey where we document the condition of the building, the cracks, and any other issues with the buildings to see how it is before construction, and it was a very much of a success.
Our work didn't stop once the foundation was laid and the building started to rise above ground. We had our team of construction materials experts looking at foundation construction, checking the concrete reinforcement, and testing the other materials used in the building, all with the goal of making sure the building was energy efficient.
I'm pleased to say that Braun was able to bring all of its tools to bear on this project, and it all came off very well.
In the end, all of those efforts will be rewarded. When residents move into the building, they'll find luxury living with all of the modern amenities and efficiency they could want. Beneath all of it is the work done by Braun Intertec.